Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most practical, powerful, and game-changing books for anyone who dreams of becoming a video influencer. The book is called YouTube Secrets, the ultimate guide to grow your following and making money as a video influencer by Cannell and Benji Travis. This is Papi University. If you've ever wondered how to grow a successful channel, build a loyal audience, and actually turn your passion for creating videos into profit, this book is a gold mine. And in the next minutes, I'm going to unpack the most valuable lessons for you, step by step. So grab a pen, sit tight, and let's unlock the YouTube secrets together. The power of YouTube. First, let's talk about the power of YouTube. YouTube isn't just another social media app. It's the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google. Millions of people search YouTube every single day, looking for answers, tutorials, entertainment, and inspiration. Unlike TV or radio, YouTube gives anyone a chance to create, upload, and share. Your videos don't disappear after a day like Instagram stories or TikTok trends. They can work for you for years. Think about it. A video you make today could still be getting views, likes, and even making money for you 3 years from now. That's the true magic of YouTube. Clarity, know your why. But before you grab a camera and hit record, Sean and Benji emphasize one key step. Clarity. You have to know your why. Why do you want to be on YouTube? Is it to share your passion? Build a business? Inspire people? Or maybe to create financial freedom? Here's the truth. When the views are low, when editing feels endless, and when growth feels slow, your why is the thing that keeps you going. So pause for a moment and ask yourself, what's my mission? What's my vision? Clarity doesn't just motivate you. It shapes your entire channel strategy. Content. Create value-rich videos. Now let's talk about the heart of YouTube. Content. Sean and Benji say this clearly. Focus on value first, views second. Ask yourself, what's in it for the viewer? Are you teaching something useful? Are you entertaining them? Are you inspiring them? If you answer yes to one of those, you're creating value-rich content. Here's another key insight. Don't wait for perfect. The more videos you make, the better you get. Quantity leads to quality. Every video is practice. Every upload is a lesson. And every piece of content brings you one step closer to mastering your craft. So don't get stuck in perfectionism. Press record, create, and publish. Community. Build trust and connection. But here's something most beginners miss. YouTube is not about numbers. It's about people. Your subscribers are not just digits on a screen. They're real people who choose to give you their time. So treat them like a community. Respond to comments. Ask questions in your videos. Make your viewers feel like they belong. When people feel seen, they stick around. And that's how you transform random viewers into loyal fans. A loyal community is more powerful than millions of passive subscribers, because loyal fans will support your journey, share your videos, and even buy your products. Cash. Monetize your influence. Now, let's get into the juicy part, money. There are so many ways to make money as a YouTuber, and Sean and Benji break them down clearly. AdSense. Getting paid when ads play on your videos. Affiliate marketing. Recommending products and earning commission. Sponsorships. Brands paying you to promote their products. Merchandise. Selling your own branded t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies. Courses and services. Packaging your knowledge into products or coaching. Here's the secret. Don't rely on one income stream. The smartest YouTubers diversify. Remember, your influence is valuable. Don't be afraid to monetize it. Collaboration. Grow faster together. Another powerful strategy, collaboration. When you collaborate with other YouTubers, you're not just sharing content. You're sharing audiences. Think of it this way. You get exposed to their subscribers, and they get exposed to yours. It's a win-win. Collaboration builds credibility, strengthens community, and accelerates your growth. So don't think of other YouTubers as competition. Think of them as partners. Consistency, the real secret sauce. And now, the secret that separates successful YouTubers from the rest. Consistency. Listen carefully. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats gear. Consistency even beats luck. It's not about uploading 10 perfect videos. It's about showing up week after week, month after month. Pick a schedule you can stick to, once a week, twice a week, and commit to it. Your viewers will trust you more when they know you'll show up. And the YouTube algorithm loves consistency too. So remember, success on YouTube is not about going viral overnight. It's about building brick by brick, video by video. Practical tools and final advice. Before we wrap up, here are a few practical tips from Sean and Benji. Make your titles and thumbnails clickable. Clear plus curiosity wins. Use SEO keyword in your titles, descriptions, and tags so people can find your videos. Study your analytics. See what's working and do more of it. Don't obsess over gear. Start with what you have. Even your phone. Upgrade later. The main point? Done is better than perfect. So, let's bring it all together. The secrets to YouTube success are not really secrets at all. They're timeless principles. Clarity of purpose. Content that delivers value. Community that feels connected. Cash through smart monetization. Collaboration with others. And consistency, the real superpower. YouTube is not about overnight fame. It's about passion, persistence, and playing the long game. Sean Cannell and Benji Travis remind us, the best time to start a channel was yesterday, but the second best time is today. So, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Grab your camera, press record, and share your voice with the world. That's it for today's deep dive into YouTube secrets. If you found this valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs that extra push to start their YouTube journey. We provide the link to get this book in the description box below. Do well to use our link. It helps to earn commission for every purchase and will make us continually provide valuable content to you, our loyal family. Until next time, keep creating, keep showing up, and keep chasing your YouTube dreams.